watching Monty TV. I'm Jackie Karsh, joined now by David Mindell. He's co-founder and CEO of Humatics, which is developing micro-location products that will revolutionize how people and machines locate, navigate, and collaborate. How critical is that millimeter precision when it comes to these robots that we're incorporating into our daily life?
The millimeter precision stuff is really finding traction in industry. We find companies, actually manufacturing companies, logistics companies, they want better than a millimeter even, and more precision, where you're actually enabling robots to perform work on products, on things that are being manufactured to the level of precision that's demanded in industry these days. We think that in cities it's more the centimeter scale products today, where you know where you are, you know where cars are with a great deal of precision, and there's also that layer of robustness. GPS can be very fragile, and when you navigate directly, you have an alternative system that supports the other ways that you navigate.
Are there potential risks when we're not as precise as we could be?
Absolutely. I mean, just think of that blue circle you see when you have Google Maps or when you call your Uber. That blue circle that is the uncertainty in GPS can be the size of a city block sometimes. And then think about how difficult it is to coordinate with your rideshare driver in the last few hundred meters of the ride. It can be very, very hard.
The most frustrating experience.
Exactly, and so we actually provide technology that will make that technology much more precise. Once you have precision, you can then do, there's greater capacity, greater safety, greater information about what's going on, and just a whole new level of insight. Most of what happens, most of what people do for their work and their life happens within that 30-meter blue circle of uncertainty, and that's what we do, is we navigate in those kind of spaces.
Hate that blue circle. So is it also cost effective to use your system?
It's very cost effective. It doesn't require special lighting. It doesn't require custom studios like you see for motion capture in Hollywood. It's really, it's very scalable. You can start very small and grow it in a kind of mesh network kind of way. So it's often much more cost effective than piling lots of expensive sensors onto the robotic systems themselves.
So you're at a point where you can be pretty precise. Is there a possibility that you're ever going to nail it on the head?
Well, for us, we started with thinking we were going to do a few millimeters, and then we got it down to 1 meter or millimeter or less. Some of our customers would love it if we could get down even tighter, so I think that's very much in the cards for what we're doing. We're also constantly shrinking and very rapidly shrinking the cost, size, and weight and power of the system, so eventually we'll have precise positioning deployed throughout all of our ordinary electronics, lots of different things, and we really imagine a world where you interact with the world through very, very many small, short-lived, but very highly precise navigational interactions, whether it's your computer, whether it's your car, whether it's your kitchen, whether it's your factory or your robot.